Welcome to On the Spot with Streets, presented by the Streets Academy, your go-to source for learning about professional garment care. Let's get started. The first step in any stain removal is proper stain identification and classification. Without this step, stains can permanently set in or damage fabric. Just remember, location, color, feel, appearance, and odor. Locating the stain can reduce the guesswork. For example, if the stain is on the armpit area, it's safe to assume it may be a perspiration stain. If it's a skin-colored stain on the collar, it's probably makeup. Color. The color of the stain is a great indicator of the type of stain. For example, a pale brown stain can be the result of caramelized sugar from beverages. Feel. Is the stain hard, soft, dry, or moist? For example, if the stain has been exposed to air for a while and has a moist feel, it's likely oil-based. Appearance. Is the built-up appearance of the stain only on one side of the fabric or a certain shape? For example, glue tends to be only on one side and on top of the fiber, unlike an oil stain where it will follow the threads. Odor. Certain stains will have a very identifiable odor, such as perfumes or mustard. Classification. After IDing the stain, you must classify it. Is it dry side, wet side, or combination stain? Big thing to remember, water swells fiber, so using it first can make the stain removal process more difficult. You can use the spotting chart in the description to help determine stain categories. Dry side stains are those that require the use of products and methods which contain no appreciable amounts of moisture, including using the steam gun. Wet side stains require the use of water or steam for removal. Combination or combo stains include a dry and wet side component, requiring multiple steps, but always start on the dry side and finish with the wet side. Processing method. Determine if removal of the stain requires solvent action, meaning it will be cleaned in a dry cleaning machine, chemical action, requiring use of a stain removal product at the spotting board, or digestion, requires a product containing enzymes for stain removal. Remember, heat can also set stains or make them more difficult to remove, so treating or removing stains prior to processing is always a smart choice. Product. Select the proper product for removal based on the type of stain identified. Each product will have specific instructions, such as the use of chemical agents that can affect color, so it is essential to read the use instructions. It's important to note that all the videos in the On the Spot program will have more in-depth chemical information in the descriptions. Reminders. With an unknown stain, always start on the dry side. Moisture or steam can set some stains. If color fastness is a concern, test the chemical in unexposed areas. Now you are ready to get on the spot.